Want your text to interact with movement on screen? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your text reveal itself as someone moves across the frame. This creates a natural cinematic effect, perfect for storytelling videos, lifestyle edits, or any project where you want the text to feel like part of the scene. By the end, you'll be able to sync text with motion, making your edits look polished and professional. Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Here's a creative effect, making your text reveal itself as an object moves across the screen. It looks complex, but CapCut makes it surprisingly simple. Start by adding your walking footage to the timeline. Then go to the text menu, add a text box, and type your message. Let's use ultimate speed is nothing without control. Adjust the font, style, and size as you like, and stretch the text to match the full length of the clip. Position the text so it starts slightly off screen. Now in basic, position and size. Set a keyframe at the beginning. Move the playhead toward the end. Then slide the text fully across the screen. Keep the Y-axis steady to ensure a straight movement. If you play it back, the text now slides across the screen, but it still sits in front of the person. To fix this, duplicate the video clip and place it above the text layer. Select the duplicate, go to Mask, Horizontal, and adjust the mask so it follows the person's outline. As the object moves, keep adding keyframes to shift the mask along with them. If you're learning something new, drop a comment below and let us know. This makes the text look like it's passing behind you. For a smoother result, turn the video layer and text into a compound clip. Then add the same motion clip again. And use auto cutout to isolate the subject. This step takes the realism to another level, making the reveal much cleaner. And there you have it, a professional-looking movement text reveal that gives your video a polished, cinematic touch. To make it more catchy, you can select all the clips and change their speed to 0.5x to make it play longer. Before we jump into the next lesson, make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along easily.
And that's how to create a reveal text with movement effect in CapCut. Now your titles won't just appear, they'll flow with the action in your video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and share this with other creators. And let me know in the comments, what's the first video you'll use this effect on?